The term berserk describes a state of violent and destructive rage. Synonyms include mad and deranged, while antonyms are sane and rational. Understanding this term helps in recognizing extreme emotional responses and their impact on behavior. Chasten means to punish with the aim of improving behavior or attitude. It involves restraint and moderation. Synonyms include discipline and temper, while antonyms are praise, commend, and reward. Understanding this term helps in recognizing actions intended to correct and guide rather than simply penalize. Detract means to take away from or reduce in value or reputation. Synonyms include subtract from and lower, while antonyms are increase, heighten, and enhance. Understanding this term helps in recognizing actions or factors that might diminish the worth or standing of something. Encounter as a noun refers to an unplanned meeting or a confrontation, often between adversaries. As a verb, it means to meet or come upon unexpectedly. Synonyms include confrontation and happen upon, while antonyms are avoid and sidestep. It helps in grasping the context of various interactions. Pantomime involves storytelling through gestures without spoken words. This art form, synonymous with mime shows or dumb shows, relies on physical expression to convey narratives. It highlights the power of nonverbal communication, allowing audiences to interpret and engage with the performance on a deeper level. Precaution involves taking care beforehand to prevent unwanted outcomes. It embodies foresight, prudence, and acts as a safeguard. In contrast, recklessness and heedlessness are its antonyms, highlighting the importance of careful planning and awareness in avoiding potential risks. A puncture refers to a small hole created by a sharp object, often leading to a perforation. This term can also be used as a verb, meaning to pierce or create such a hole. It is crucial in contexts like tire maintenance or medical procedures, where precision and care are paramount. Sham refers to something fake or not genuine. As an adjective, it describes something phony or counterfeit. As a noun, it can mean a fraud or a decorated pillow covering. As a verb, it means to pretend. Antonyms include authentic and bona fide, highlighting the contrast between genuine and deceptive appearances. Uncouth describes behavior that is unrefined, crude, or awkward. Synonyms include boorish and graceless, while antonyms are refined, polished, graceful, and genteel. It helps in identifying and improving social interactions. Wistful describes a state of melancholy yearning or longing, often accompanied by sadness and pensiveness. It contrasts with feelings of happiness, contentment, and satisfaction.